In this video, you will learn exactly what a street bet is in roulette, how to place it, the payout and odds, and a few practical examples so you can use it confidently at any table. What is a street bet? A street bet covers 3 consecutive numbers that sit in a single horizontal row on the roulette layout. You place one chip on the outside line at the end of that row. If any of those 3 numbers win, you get paid. The street bet pays 11 to 1, which is lower than a split bet but higher than a corner bet. Odds and house edge. On a European single zero wheel, the chance of hitting your 3 numbers is 3 out of 37, giving you a probability of about 8.1%. On an American double zero wheel, it's 3 out of 38, or about 7.9%. The house edge is the same as any other inside bet on that wheel, about 2.7% in European roulette and 5.26% in American. Using street bets in a strategy. Many players like to use multiple street bets to cover a larger part of the table. For instance, if you place 6 street bets at $5 each, you're covering 18 numbers, almost half the wheel. If one of those hits, you win $60. But since you lose the other 5 bets, you're down $25, leaving you with a net profit of $30. Some players combine this approach with a mild martingale, doubling their bets after a loss to recover faster. But keep in mind that the risk also increases quickly. Pros and cons. Street bets give you a balanced middle ground. They offer a better payout than most outside bets and let you cover key numbers without risking as much as straight bets. But the payout is still lower than a single number bet, and your risk is higher than safer outside wagers like red or black. They work best when you want moderate volatility and flexible coverage. Experienced players sometimes mix street bets with other systems, such as pairing them with the Romanovsky or the 24+8 strategies, or weaving them into a Fibonacci progression. These are optional twists, not a way to beat the house. Street bets offer a nice balance between high-risk single numbers and low-risk outside wagers. They won't tilt the odds in your favor, but they can add variety and excitement to your roulette sessions while keeping the math straightforward.